What is up everyone, Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the LG Aristo 2 and seeing if the face recognition on this device is really good. Stay tuned. So is face recognition on this device really good? This has been a question a lot of you have been DMing me on Instagram. A lot of you want to know about this since it is, a really cheap device. A lot of people are skeptical about how good the face recognition actually is. And I have to say the face recognition is decent. It's pretty decent. But if I show you guys right now, I am actually wearing my glasses. So when I wasn't wearing my glasses and I tried to unlock the LG Aristo 2 yesterday, the screen did not unlock. So definitely, if you guys have glasses, definitely wear them if you're trying to unlock your phone, because if you did the face recognition with your glasses and tried to turn on your phone without your glasses, it won't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my glasses on right now. We're gonna go ahead and test this out, and it worked 100%. Now we're gonna go ahead and take my glasses off, and I will put them in front of you right here, and I will test it again. And as you guys see right there, it says tap icon, try again, swipe to unlock. So we're gonna actually have to put the real code in, and it actually did not unlock. So face recognition isn't super advanced. We do have a feature to make face recognition advanced, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out for you guys right now. Okay, so as you guys see in the face recognition options, we have an option down here that says advanced face recognition. Now it says it makes it hard to unlock with an image or video. This may slow down the face recognition. So this also may slow down the face recognition in return for a more advanced face recognition. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on. Let's go ahead and improve face recognition. So the face recognition is now improved. You can actually delete the face and improve it again how many times you want to. Now honestly, I think it is pretty decent and pretty accurate in my opinion, and of me testing it, because I've tried, with many other people, try to unlock this phone and it did not work. But when I go with my face, 100% works. So I really do think this is not a gimmick. I think it is really good. The downfall of this is if you did wear glasses, I would definitely recommend deleting the face and putting another face recognition on there, starting all over, and actually taking off your glasses so your face recognition will work. If you say you don't have your glasses but you need to unlock your phone, so definitely take off your glasses when you're doing the face recognition and just go like this, and you should be 100% good to go. And when I actually take off my glasses, so definitely if you guys ever want to if you guys do wear glasses, I would definitely recommend doing the face recognition without your glasses on, so you can just take off your glasses real quick and do the face recognition. But the face recognition on the LG Aristo 2 is pretty snappy, pretty fast, and pretty accurate. I honestly thought it was going to be really gimmicky, but it seems to be pretty accurate. So if you guys really wanted this phone for the face recognition, it is a good option, a cheap alternative obviously to the iPhone X, but a really good option, and it will not break the bank. Obviously you guys saw what I paid. I paid $66 for the unlimited line and this phone, and that's all it was, just a whole 66 bucks, and we were Gucci right there. And I got this phone, walked out of the store with an unlimited line. So definitely a great alternative to the iPhone X. If you guys ever want to go ahead and pick this up, it is at Metro PCAS. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing. If you guys are not a part of the TechRight fam already, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. Peace out, guys.